Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
How are you all?
I'm fine, ma'am.
Okay, today we'll talk about certain things which you are already familiar with. You know shapes?
Yes, ma'am.
You all are familiar with shapes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, look around and see what kind of shapes are there. What shape? Circle is there. Cuboid is there. Oh, very nice. Okay, today, very nice. Today we'll go on an adventurous journey of shapes. Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
We'll go on this journey all together.
Yes, ma'am.
Excited for that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now, are you aware of something round?
Ma'am, my ball is round. Yes, ma'am.
Round, something round.
Yes,
Your ball is round. What else is round in shape?
ma'am. Bottle.
Bottle is round in shape. Okay, we look from the top, then it's round. Something else which is round.
Ma'am, my ball is.
Your face is also round.
Ma'am, the ball is.
Ball, okay, the chapati that your mothers make, is this round or a triangle?
Ma'am.
Which
Coin is round.
coin is also round in shape.
Plate is round.
Plate is also round in shape. And yes, tire is also wheel and
What? Tomato.
tomato. Yes, tomato is also round.
Orange.
Yes. Okay, now we all know what is round, right? Now, which shape is long?
Ma'am, my bottle is long. Ma'am, my pencil box is long. Shelf.
Shelf is also long in shape.
Ma'am,
Scale is also long in shape.
blackboard.
Yes, very nice. Very good examples.
Door.
Door. Yes, look around in the class also and see what is long.
Ma'am, window.
Window is long.
Ma'am,
Bookshelf is also long. Yes, very nice. Door is also very nice. Very good example. Door is also long. The cupboard is already there, the given example. And
Ma'am, our table.
table is also, yes. Few more examples.
Mine.
Mic stand. Yes, you can say mic stand is tall. Okay, long it's. Then
Ma'am, a light stand.
lights and also when you are at home, you can see certain things which are long in shape.
When my legs are long, my face is round.
As everyone is now familiarized with circle and long shape, now we'll do a very fun activity related to it. Okay? All the round objects you will put in the circle shape and all the long objects you will put it in a rectangular shape. For example, you will put ball or chapati in a circle shape, and if there is your water bottle and pencil box which are longer in shape, you will put it in a rectangular box. Okay everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Hanji. Now you will see in the very next activity of it that you have to match the object with the similar shape. Okay? You have to match a certain object with the similar shape, the same shape with that object. Okay? Now we'll take an example of box. You will match the box with the similar looking object. Alright everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Now next we'll move to another very fun activity, which is you have to take the shape which is similar to a ball. You have to take a shape which has a similar shape like a ball. Okay? You have to match that. Alright? We'll move to the very next activity, which is you have to take the shape which is similar to a cap. Which is similar to a cap. Okay? As you can see in the picture, which is similar to a cap is a paper funnel. Alright? It is similar to the shape of a cap. Next, we'll see in the picture only that you have to take the shape which is similar with the shape of a glass. Alright? In the picture, you can see that it is your water bottle. Alright? You have to take that. It is similar to the shape of a glass. Next, we'll see that you have to take the shape which is similar to a matchbox. It should be similar to a matchbox. Next, we'll see that the picture similar to a matchbox is your pencil box. So you will tick on that pencil box. Everyone, you're aware of it now? The shapes, right? Long shapes and circle shapes. Everyone?
Yes,
Now,
ma'am.
I will give you one activity for your home. You will do it?
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody will do it at your place?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, today when you will go back to your home, what you have to do is, you have studied about circle shape, right? Round shape you have studied about and long shape, right? Now you will go back at home and you will see at your place how many objects are there which are round in shape. Okay, you have to note that down, and then you have to see how many objects are there at your place which are longer in shape. Okay, this activity you have to do at your place, at your home. Now everyone will go at your place, you will do this activity. Alright, how was this activity? Thumbs up?
Yes, ma'am.
It was a thumbs up activity.
Yes, ma'am.
Now you will go at home and you will do this activity. Alright, thank you everyone.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay everyone, you also have to do this activity at your place. Till then, take care and I'll see you next time.